Hey everybody, welcome to BodyFix PT and Performance YouTube channel. In this exercise, I'm going to show you a hip opener that we like to do. All you need for this right now, we're going to start with just a nice bucket. Okay, I got my bucket right here. I'm going to set it right here. Okay, I'm going to stand right behind it, and then I'm going to lift one leg up and bring it over. So now my legs are crossed. Then I'm going to bring that leg back up. I want to get my knee as high as my hip and bring it back over. Up and over. Up and over. Okay, I'm going to do 10 each. So 1, 1, 2, 2. I'm going to switch legs. I'm going to come up, get that knee up to my hip level and down. So I'm going over that bucket every time. Okay, if this is too much for you, and if it's okay, you can raise that as your hips loosen up, you can raise that up. If you can't get past 90, if you can't lift your hip or your knee up above your hip without any symptoms, you need to start working on this, okay? Now, I don't want you to go into pain, so just go pain-free range. Get as high as you can without pain. Lift it up, cross it, up and back, cross, up, over. So you don't need a bucket. A bucket's just a good guide. You can raise that up, put some stuff on it, get something higher than a bucket. You can use a chair, anything you want. Okay, good hip opener. If you like this video, comment below. Reach out to us, bodyfixpt.com. Thanks for watching.